and welcome to XQ, the Zero Trust Data Protection Platform. This demo presents a brief overview of XQ Secure Forms product. XQ Secure Forms offers a more secure and compliant alternative to traditional form solutions and protects your customers' personal identifiable information before it's transmitted over the internet. XQ Secure Forms is easy to set up and is a hassle-free solution for safely receiving client information. XQ works with your existing forms, so no need to replace the form solutions you have already invested in. When a client, patient, customer, or prospect fills out your form, a unique encryption key is generated and the form data is encrypted in the client's browser. The encrypted data is then delivered to your email. XQ never stores your data and ensures that only authorized users can decrypt it, keeping your client's data safe from prying eyes. Secure Forms protects data with XQ Zero Trust Data Protection Platform. This allows you to safely collect sensitive customer information on third-party websites like WordPress and Squarespace, while maintaining control over your customers' personal identifiable information. For more information on XQ Zero Trust Data Protection Platform, check out our website at xqmsg.com.